Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a delicious, easy fruit dip that only requires 3 ingredients. How simple is that? If you're interested in seeing how I do this, come cook with me and I'll show you how. All ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. And remember, it does not have to be name brand items. It could definitely be store brand. It works just the same. So it's definitely your preference. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our Cool Whip. And you're going to notice that mine was not fully thawed out. I definitely recommend that you have your Cool Whip at room temperature. But I made it work just fine. I was just in a little I was in a press for time, so that's why mine is a little frozen, but it just took me a little bit to get it to the consistency I needed. Now once you notice that your Cool Whip is all fluffed out, you're then going to add in your packet of vanilla pudding, and then you're going to mix those 2 ingredients together, and you're going to notice the color is going to turn into a light yellow color, and that's the color that you're going to be looking for. And after you have those 2 ingredients mixed in, you're then going to add in the last ingredient, which is the vanilla pudding. Make sure you get all of that pudding out of the tub. And then you're going to mix those 3 ingredients together. And you're going to notice that it's going to get nice, light, and creamy. And this is one of the main things that I always get requested at any of my parties or just for my kids in general. They love this fruit dip. It's not too sweet, it's nice and fluffy, and it just tastes so great with fruit. It's so fresh, it's so nice and light. Now we're coming up to about 3 to 4 minutes of mixing, and as you can tell, it's all fluffy. The consistency is no longer yellow, it's a light yellow color. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to place it into a little dish with my fruit. I have some chopped up strawberries, some grapes, blueberries, raspberries, mandarin oranges. And there you have it, you guys. This is just a little New Year's Eve party that we are throwing for the boys. And of course, they always request that I make fruit dips, so that's exactly what I did. But I recommend that you make this on your next get-together or your next party that you might be throwing, or even a work event that you might be going to that requires you to take something, because it's so simple and easy to make, and it pairs perfectly with any fruit. I also just wanted to say thank you to anyone who created a dish over the holiday break and shared these things with me and let me know how much they enjoyed them. So I did see all of the posts, all of the comments, all of the messages that y'all shared. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my cooking family. And as always, if anyone has any questions or comments, y'all definitely can leave me a comment down below or add me on my Instagram, and I will definitely reach out as soon as possible regarding any questions or requests that y'all might have. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already a part of my cooking family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But until then, I'll cook with you later. Bye, guys.